Hello everyone and welcome back to another daily tutorial video, and today I'm just going to be showing you how to download and install CapCut 5.5.0 on Windows 11. So what you're going to want to do is just go over to your browser. I'll be using Firefox. Go to the search bar and you're going to want to type in CapCut. You just click enter and you just click on this top link. There we go. And you click on download. There we go. And as you can see, here we have CapCut installer.exe. So we just open file. Yes. And now we just wait for it to install. And there we go. So I'm just going to be clicking on new project just to show that it works. And that is CapCut on Windows 11. This was a very quick tutorial, but if you needed it, I'm happy to help you. And yeah, bye.